In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a folder on Dropbox. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply organizing your files more intuitively, renaming folders in Dropbox is a straightforward task once you know how. So let's dive right into the process and make sure you feel comfortable managing your Dropbox folders like a pro. First, start by heading to your Dropbox homepage. This is your control center, where all your files and folders reside and the starting point for today's task. Look to the left side corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a navigation panel. It's a great tool for easy access to all your Dropbox features. Locate the button labeled Folders and give that a click. This action will present you with a comprehensive list of all your current folders stored in Dropbox. Seeing everything listed out gives you a clear view of what you're working with. Now, it's time to pinpoint the specific folder you'd like to rename. Scroll through the list to find it. Once located, click on your chosen folder to open it. This step is crucial as it ensures you're working in the right space. Within the folder's view, direct your attention to the top section of your screen, right next to the folder's name. Here, you'll notice a little gear icon. Clicking on this gear icon will unveil a drop-down menu with several options for managing your folder. Among the options in this menu, you'll see Rename. Click on it, and you'll soon have the ability to change the name of your folder. The existing name will be highlighted, ready for you to input a new one. When entering a new name, make sure it reflects the folder's contents or purpose for easy identification later on. Once you've typed in the new folder name, hit the Enter key. This action will save your changes instantly across your Dropbox, ensuring all devices connected to your account reflect the same update. And voila! That's all there is to it. You've just successfully renamed a Dropbox folder. Renaming folders can significantly improve your workflow by keeping your Dropbox organized and tailored to your specific needs. It's these small adjustments that contribute to a more efficient daily routine, allowing you to navigate your files with ease. So next time, whether you're working on collaborative projects or your personal files, remember this handy tip to maintain an organized digital workspace. Thanks for following along today. Renaming folders might seem like a small task, but mastering these tools gives you greater control over your digital environment. Keep practicing, and soon handling such tasks will become second nature. For more tips on optimizing your Dropbox experience, be sure to check out other videos in our series. Until next time, happy organizing!